Hey everyone, I'm Lisa, your friend who always likes to share solutions for iOS problems. Let's just start today's topic. iPhone is good. It has many useful features, but sometimes it still has problems. Recently, some users told me their iPhone screen recording has no sound. So today, I'm going to teach you how to fix this problem. I found 5 methods for you. Check screen recording function. You have to make sure you have turned on this feature. Where to check? Just go to Settings, Control Center, press Customize Controls, add the screen recording to the Control Center. Turn on the microphone. Just swipe up iPhone and find Control Center. Long press the screen recording button. Turn the microphone audio button. Update iOS system. To fix it, you need to update iOS to the latest version. Just go to Settings, General, Software Update, or use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This software can fix more than 50 iOS system issues without data loss. Let's see how to use it. Step 1. Launch TunesKit. Connect your iPhone with a computer. You can click this button to enter or exit the recovery mode. This is totally free. Provides you with 2 modes. The standard mode is used for common issues, which will not cause data loss. Master mode is used for serious problems, but the data will be erased. We choose the standard mode to fix your problem. Check the information here and correct the wrong ones. Then click the download button. Step 3. Just click the repair button. Attention! This will erase all the data on your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all the content and settings. Which solution is useful for you? Leave your answer at the comment. If you like, I will make more useful videos about iOS repair. Just subscribe this channel to find them.